Hey, welcome to multi-net design. On our tutorial design we are working on at Tenerife. So this program was inspired by Santiago Calatrava, one of the greatest modern architects of this era. Now we are able to design all these concepts. So continue the development of the concept for this project. So we want to make this to curve more so that we have a perfect, at least something reasonable curve to work with. So what I'm going to do, I will go to 3D and select it in this way. Let me have it on a vertical level. So I just shift this to meet up with some criteria. I'm not going to go too far, so that the curve will just like express. Yes, I think the curve now comes up in a bit. So as I have this one, so what will I need to do now? I will select this. So I've done this one. So I will just like edit this in place. So select the extrusion that I did and I'll cut it off. So I have issue here. So from here now I'll be able to like edit what I have to do by clicking this one, then shift it. I'll be able to cut it off from the area that I will not be able to see it on this good. So that is our point of reference for this. So until I have not seen it again, that any part of it is not visible from that thing. So I've done this one, so I will do the same thing to the second one too. So you can decide to mirror that if that is what pleases you, and just measure it up. So but don't bother yourself if you don't need to mirror it. It's not too necessary. So just like adjust this the way you have done with that one. So it's okay. I think the curve is out a bit, so you can look at it from this 3D and see that okay, now we have something to work with. So go back to the level 5. So from the level 5 now, this is what we have. And click finish. So at the clicking of the finishing, so what I need now is that I want to create, let me represent it with annotate before I play the floor. So I will save annotate from here. So I want to use this particular ellipse. So I'm going to use this ellipse to create that. Or let me check whether I can use, good, I think you gave me what I need. Now we use offset to do that and get what I want to do. So click here and say offset 5000. Outside 5000 and 5000 again. So from 5000 to 5000, so I'll just like drag this curve around. So a curve around this space, then I will drag this one to meet here. So what we'll do now is that I will just mirror it. So this is what I have, this is what I need to use. So at this junction now, all I need is a simple curve solution that we align together with this. So I'm going to use ellipse as well. So where I pick this, so they are going to work it out for me by staying put to this point. I don't want a sharp point, so I want it like this. So what I do is that I will just like break this, just cut what I need to cut off. So I will be able to create my floor easily and precisely. So this is what I have. I'll delete this one and I will delete this and this one within. I'll just leave that one now if it's not working. So I'm not going to delete the model that we have. So detail lines set. So now I will just click on the floor, click here, and the level 5 I will click on Revit floor. So I'm going to create floor here. So the floor I'm creating, I will just select the line, select this line, then select the line. So the floor is here now. You click on the floor. When you look at it from 3D, you see the float of the floor. So this is the floor that we are going to use to work with everything we want to create. So we still get to edit most of them whenever we are working on. So this is the floor area that will give me the. So at this level now, I'm going to like create most of this concept and have a reality towards them. So what I'm going to do here is that I will go to level 5 as well. So at level 5, I want to create something that will cover up some certain things for me, because I see be like a gallery that people will pass through this. People can walk and do whatever they want to do this level. So now we do what? I will just click on wall. At the wall now, I will select line. Just pick the line for me. As you pick the line, so I will just like adjust this one, come to this position. Which position do I need? Yes, I think this one is okay for me. So I will do that. Is it line I choose? I need to work with wall. Say wall, architectural wall. Sorry for that. So click on wall, select this. So it's telling you to select the wall. So you pick the wall back. He has already chosen wall for me. I'm confused. Let me just delete one. See, okay, definitely it's there. So I will go back to level 5. Then I will do and adjust what I need to adjust to at 20. Let me use 20. Let me use 30 dB. Okay, no, it's too much. I don't want the external aspects to come out. Okay, I think that one is okay by me. So I just like mirror this before I now extend it to the ground level. So that's the mirror. So I go to 3D. So this one is what I have now. So what will I do? I will just say from level 0, from this bottom level, and then unconnected to level 5 or level 6. Let me see 6. Good. So that is the base that I formed from here. Adjustment, I'm still working on the adjustment, so this is just the temporary base for me to work with. So this one is covering inside. So I'm going to do one thing here now, and this one is going to be a slant wall so that we give the. So I'm going to do it like say select this wall, go to image, area, structure, mark, cross section, vertical. I think something is here that I anyway. Let me do what is not going to flow along with what I'm doing. So click here and say create similar. When you create similar, you do it here. So just like select this. So you have the structure defined and the mark expression towards what you have created. So the room and offset, everything is there now. So you can just like select this one and see the category of what you have done. So this is what you have now. You can just like leave it for that moment. So let us now work on what we have here. So I'm going to do this one. I create normal long line to suit my working condition. So what I do here is that this is in level, I'm in level 1, right? So I will just do a normal wall, just a straight down normal wall. So I will just say wall, where's wall? I'm getting me confused. So I just like draw one straight line. You see, I have wall here. You do the same thing, then stop here, have wall here. So at this level now, I can now bring this curve for use, but I'm not going to use it here. Go to level 6, and that is where the whole things come from, level 6. So I've created, let me go to 3D. This is 3D. So what have I done here is that I've created something here which is connected footing. So let me choose that footing. Then I've connected to this level, which is level 6. So this is what we have here. So let me go to level 5 and see. So it cuts inside, which is supposed not to be. So the problem here is that I need to shift this one outside. So I've gotten, let me see, I've gotten it now from outside. Then I will mirror it. Good. So as I have this one now, what is it that I need to do? I need now to work on this boundary so that I'll be able to still maintain what I'm maintaining. So click here now and click here. All what you just need now is to check it, then suit it. So if that will be the option for, so good. Something is there. What did this say? Anyway, you can bring it back by saying click line, or the outside line should be clicked. Then you finish it up like this to finish. So what was it saying? There's something that never been conquered. So that's the conquerors part. So look back on 3D. Good. The concept of forming the whole area as they are developing. So that is for that. So what we do now is that this one stay for a purpose. So we work on this one later, but we are going to define what is objective of this area before we proceed. So the same thing from this one too. So but what we do here is that we transfer whatever concept you have here and give it a good feeling. So what do we do now? Click here and say just like click and say good. So you see that the whole areas are coming out one after the other. So the definition of everything we are creating are coming to suit what we are developing. So I have done this one now. I need to create something of this to outside. So I will click here. I will say go to level 5. At level 5 now, I will just say offset. Is it offset? I want to say or click on wall. Let me just click on wall, click wall, or click similar. Not line detail, delete the line detail, create wall. I say create similar thing. So instead of that, is expect this one in a, what have I done here? 5,000 now. Okay, let me just use 8,000. Sorry, 8,000 for that purpose. 8,000. So 8,000 here as well. So I'm going to reduce this one and bring it down to this point, and then I bring it down to this point. So what I do here now is that I draw a line so that I will connect them together and we have the same part. So I will just drawing this one, shift so that close. Yes, I think it's close now. Good. So you delete this. You cannot delete this one. It's useful somewhere else. So now we click on this and then edit. So at this editing level, what I'm going to do is that I will draw this. Good. And I will mirror it. So we still work on that. Then close this one up. Close this one up. So now you select this. Select external. Click finish if you allow. So that is what you have created. So look at it on 3D. The journey is becoming more clearer and simpler. So as we have done this one will miss something if I want to do. We still have some editing to do. So like this one now, you can now shift them. So you get shift them to accommodate the potential parts. So by the time we work, we create some fantastic things around that area. Good. So look at it around. You see the some concepts are coming out from. So all this one below, they are going to go, so we don't need them again for now. So just delete them. We are going to use this concept to create everything we want to create, this form that we are bringing out. So we are creating this form now to bring out the details of this project. So it's going to be a fantastic tutorial as we are doing it little by little. So if you're following, just click. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and follow us till we finish this project in the video. So you can imagine that everything is coming out little by little. So for this is the breaking point to what we have to do. So in the next, we are going to create the entrance part. Then we cover this up, and then we bring the steps that will surround this area all two together. So that is what we're going to do at this level. You can just like join us by click subscribe button, so that we'll be able to complete this project by through the encouragement I will receive from you. So God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.